Hey everyone, it's been a while since I uploaded a vlog. I know I took a little break, but now I'm excited to start fresh and share new little pieces of my life. Also, just an update, I moved here in the US. I'm still in the process on adapting here, but anyways, welcome to vlog. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Aru and I'm glad you're here. If you'd like a special shout out in my next vlog, please leave a comment below.
Well, you can ride through, but they don't kind of blue. No, it's fried. Like, after the Vegas.
They try to get you to sign up for stuff and they give you something for free. So in that case, they'll give you like the hotel stay or the... I mean, worst case scenario is
Oh, the horizon.
I want to go walk. I can give you free bag. Just scan this QR, answer the question. Fantastic. I can give you free bag. Don't tell you anything. It's for fun. You can.
we have Verizon.
But I still have your information.
For the iPhone 7, are we just gonna call them or
It's
we're gonna
unlimited.
Okay. But do they have a stock in store?
They have one.
Stock in store?
That's why we have to pre-order on Friday.
Oh, so we can just pick it up at a store. Okay. We got a Verizon bag. Oh my gosh, that looks so scary. The ride? Kill me first before I ride that.
Hey, do you mind taking a photo?
Oh,
You want to take? Oh, sure.
yeah.
Thank you. Right here, this in the back. Yeah. So then, I feel like I'm great. I like to play. Oh, sorry. Can you help me down too?
bad at taking photos, baby.
You could have taken it.
But I'm holding my camera.
Huh?
But I'm holding my camera.
You could have held the camera.
Never mind. Oh, they have corn dog.
They got regular and they have Korean over there. You want to try the Ferris wheel?
I don't want to try.
You don't have to do. You want to play one of the games?
What is that?
Huh?
Oh, it's okay.
See if you like it first. See if you like it first. Try it out. Practice.
What am I gonna do?
You have to pop the balloon with this.
You could do that the whole time. I still let you guys if you want to play.
Where's the line? This is the line?
Yeah.
Only $10. What are you throwing at? Here, put it in 10. Watch.
Thank you. I was trying to target the purple one.
You're throwing at my buddy. What are you talking about? $10. The flag.
I think I'm just gonna get the frog. Maybe I thought we're gonna get the corn dog.
That way was where we entered.
Oh. Is this only a strawberry or a mix? Oh, with condensed milk. I see.
You want one?
I think this one.
You want a sample? You want a sample? Taste it first?
Oh, sure. Thank you.
You should try out this out while I get it ready.
You have a trash can? Sorry?
You can just leave it right here.
Okay. Thank you so much.
This shows right here.
Okay.
Free sample, free fresh fruit water sample.
Thank you so much. Where do you sit?
Maybe you guys would feel sorry for me if you knew my dog. Take a guess. What do you think my dog's name was? What do you think it was? Far distant overseas country. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for America! Come on, let's see it! Look at that beef jerky. Barely fits in his pocket because he's got such massive glutes. Keep it going for America with a buttocks flex. A buttocks flex. Look at that. Oh my God. Thank you, America, man. And we make some noise for Germany! Yeah. Thank you, Germany, for Mother Russia. Oh, look at the power right here for Russia. Watch these, yes. Oh, look at the power. Look at that, Russia. Oh, make some noise for Russia.
You found it? I don't know, maybe. Yeah. It's full moon.